Hello guys, this is Pawan from Ambidutronics. So today, as you can see here in the title, what is written here, how to set clear and toggle a bit in embedded C. So today I'll tell you how we can able to I will take one 8-bit integer variable and I will set that I'll set a particular bit of that 8-bit variable, and same way I will clear the kth bit, and again I will toggle the same bit in a way using only single instruction. So first of all, how to set. So what is the logic of how to set a bit? Suppose I have how to set, let's say a is a variable, set, let's say a is a variable. Now I want to set kth bit of this variable. So what will I write? I will write a equals to a pipe symbol, one left shift, the same way whichever bit you want to set. Suppose you want to set kth bit, so k you will write here, and this way your instruction will be look like a equals to a or with one left shift case. So in this case, whatever the k, suppose k is, I will take a equals to a one left shift 5. So fifth bit of a variable will be set in through this instruction. Same way, now I want to clear. How to clear? So same way, a is a variable, and now I want to clear a bit, particular bit, let's say kth bit. Same way, so a equals to a ended with complement of one left shift k. So this way you will able to clear that particular bit. Suppose I want to clear fifth bit, so a equals to a ended with complement of one left shift k. I will 5 I will write. So using this instruction I will clear the fifth bit of variable a. Now I want to toggle. How to toggle? So again, a is a variable, so a equals to a. Now here comes the XOR symbol. Using XOR operator, using XOR we can able to toggle the bit of that particular kth bit. So a XOR one left shift k. Same way I want to toggle fifth bit or any bit, let's say fourth bit, so I'll write 4 and here. So using this instruction I will toggle the fourth bit of variable a. So this way we can able to set, clear and toggle that particular bit. Now using one simple code I will also demonstrate you how we can able to see the practical example of this thing. So I will take one Atmega16 microcontroller. On that case I will blink an LED using first setting a bit of that particular pin and then clearing that particular pin bit, and the same way setting and clearing will means like with some delay I will set and clear. So we will see how it will blink using setting and clearing the bit. And the same way, only the toggle instruction I will show you how can we able to blink an LED. So we will move to our Atmega 16 microcontroller, and this is Atmel Studio software. Here I have written one code previously. So first of all, we will use operator, we will clear 5th bit and then delay, and here again equals to now we want to clear that bit, so I will give symbol AND operator. It's like I will write AND operator equals to now tilt symbol and 1 left shift 5, and the same way underscore delay 500. So this is the logic. This is, in this case, first I am setting 5th bit, 5th pin of port B. So 5th bit will be set and then delay, and then again I am clearing that particular 5th bit and again giving 1 delay. So okay, we will just build this thing and we will move to the Proteus simulation. Now here it's a 5th bit, so this is the 5th pin. Now if I'll just upload hex file is already uploaded, so okay, so I will just click on here play button, and sorry, 5th bit, it means 0, because it will count from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it will go to 6th pin. So this way it will work. Okay, one mistake I have done. I have DDRB data direction register also. I need to enable that 5th pin only. So again we will build, and we will just play this. Here you can see it's blinking. So using setting a bit and then clearing a particular bit, we are working, we are make it blink. So we are making it blink. So now I will do one thing. Next thing I will toggle this same pin using how to toggle a bit operate means like instructions. So okay, we'll move to the code, and I will remove this part, and here I will port B, or instead of OR I will write XOR. So XOR we will use, and we will build it again, and again we will go to the Proteus, and here you can see it's toggling. Same logic, means like with one instruction only we can make the same program here, but we can switching on and switching off time will be same for this toggling instruction, but for blinking we can make means like switching on for 3 seconds or 4 seconds, switching off for 1 second we can do, because there we are using 2 instructions, but here we are using only 1 instruction and 1 delay after that. So here switch on time and off time will be same. So I'll show that thing also. If I'll give, instead of 500 I'll give 100, and now I'll build. So if now I will just play this thing, so here you can see it's blinking so fast because we have given 100 delay. So on time and off time is same for both on and off. So this way we can use setting, clearing and toggling a bit. So I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any doubt regarding this, just feel free to comment us below. So till then, thanks.